Good morning, students. Welcome to Silver Bells Mansarovar Online Education. Students, today we are going to discuss about error correction in English grammar section. Student, actually in error correction, what kind of knowledge is needed? Whatever you have learned from class 3 to till class 9, okay, all kind of grammar is useful for correction, just like articles, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, pronoun, noun, and many more. Okay, you should have a maximum grip on it, then you can correct the sentence. Okay, so by using your previous knowledge and from this year knowledge also, you have to utilize and you have to try for this topic. Okay, but as per my advice, as much as you continue your practice, you will have good grip on it. Okay, student, let us start with one example. Dear students, you can see over here first sentence, many people says that the success knocks. Okay, so you can know that many people, okay, it is a plural form, so say is needed. Okay, says s or es. Okay, when we can utilize, when third person singular is there, okay, we use s or es at the end of the verb. So in first sentence the error is says instead of what we have to utilize, say. Okay, so correction is say. Now next, are door only once but. Over here you can see door. Okay, now are and door, plural form is needed over here, instead of only door is given. So error is door and correction is doors. Next sentence, achievement say that one should forever continue. Okay, so achievement cannot say. Okay, achievement we cannot say it is a living. So instead of achievement, what is needed? Achievers. Okay, achievers can speak. So achievers say that one should forever continue. Okay, so we have to remove achievement and we have to write achievers. Okay, so as much as you keep practice, you have clearance regarding it. Then next, two knocks, how it can possible. Okay, two is infinitive, so only base verb is needed, nothing more. Okay, s or es does not, okay, put there. We cannot put does the what say, we cannot put s or es at the end of the verb. It is infinitive, so to knock only, to knock the door of success. Okay, so knocks is given, but instead of what we have to write down, knocks. Students, let us check one another example of it. You can see, one day a wonderful plate full in gold. Okay, so one day a wonderful. Okay, but there is a particular indication. Okay, there is a we can say the is needed. Why? Because it is clearance already given. Okay, one day a wonderful plate full in gold. No, the वंडरफुल प्लेट फुल इन गोल्ड. ओके, कोई फिक्स चीज़ की बात की गई है यहाँ बेटा. देखो कौन सी प्लेट है, फिक्स बताइए. ओके, फुल इन गोल्ड, सो दैट इज राइट. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू यूटिलाइज, द फेल फ्रॉम हेवन into a courtyard of. Fell from heaven into a courtyard, there is no mistake. Okay, then next, a temple at Benares. So is a mistake. Paul, instead of what we have to do is that. Okay, that on the plate these words were inscribed. Inscribed we cannot say, we cannot write. Why? Because it is in a passive form. Words were inscribed. Okay, it is a passive form, that is why. Okay, to be form of past tense it is used the were, and with what is needed, v3. It is a passive form, already we have learned. Okay, so what is needed over here? Inscribe. So you can see there is one correction over here. The next, a gift from heaven to he. No, heaven to him, object form is needed over here. So a gift from heaven to him who loves better. Okay, so only one, there is an indication of one things. Okay, for one thing what we use? Superlative degree. Okay, compare better, this is a form of comparative degree, and there is comparison between two. Okay, but over here what is this? Only one thing, a gift from heaven to him who loves best. The priests at once made a announcement. No, an announcement. Okay, an is needed over here. An announcement that every day at noon all which would like to claim the plate should come. There is one another things. Okay, you can see every day at noon all which. No, for living being what we can use? Who. Which is used for whom? For things or for animal. Okay, so who is needed? Who would like to claim? Okay, and one another thing is this, like to claimed it is written. Okay, after to v1 is only needed, otherwise it is infinitive form. So only to claim, this is the right answer. To claim the plate should come. Okay, by this way you can write. Okay student, by this way you have to focus on the error and you can remove the error. Okay, I will send some other pdf for it also, and it will be asked, make sure. Okay, one another thing is this about your exam syllabus student. There in exam 5 lesson will be asked, but 1 2 3 4 and 6. Okay, 5 is omitted from your syllabus, that is why instead of 5 lesson number 6 will be asked. Okay, and 3 poems will be asked. Okay, फिर से बता रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट, जो लेसन है हमने पढ़े, ओके 1 से लेके 4 तक तो ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किए। 5 जो है वो एग्ज़ाम में नहीं आने वाला, सिलेबस में निकल गया है, पर उसकी जगह पे 6 नंबर का आ जाएगा। तो ये उसका 6 नंबर का जो लेसन है उसकी वीडियो में भेज दूंगा, और उसके प्रिपरेशन आपको रखनी है। पोएम्स तो जितनी पढ़ाई इतनी आएगी, बराबर। तो खास ध्यान रखना, कोई जगह पे मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग ना हो, ध्यान रखना। फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, लेसन 1 2 3 4, 5 नहीं आएगा और 6। ओके, टोटल 5 लेसन और 3 पोएम्स, और बाकी का जो ग्रामर है वो तो जैसे हमने डिस्कस किया है, जो भी चीज़ें आ रही है उस पर आपको ध्यान देना है। और ये सारी चीज़ें आपको अपनी ग्रामर की नोटबुक में लिखना है स्टूडेंट्स। ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। और सपोज इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी, एनी क्वेश्चन, ओके, यू कैन सेंड मी मैसेज ऑल्सो।